A drop of love can cause the same ripples around and will make the world a better place to live. We have come to the end of the course. Let me summarize what we have learned. We have learned how to extrude and assemble. We created a simple cam to learn the mechanism of cam and follower. We then learned to move the model using motion study. We created a number of followers and cams and created drop of love automaton. We also made parametric models so that they act as templates for bringing variations to our models. Thank you for taking this course. You can now contact me on my social handles or directly write to me here. I'll be happy to see the models made by you. Please do share with me. You can get the updates about my open source project of safety device over here. This product can be a showpiece, Christmas gift, or a stress buster. For me, it is a reminder. I would like to see this product at home to remind that relationships can be maintained through love and forgiveness. At office to reconcile with your team, and at a president's desk to solve the international issues through dialogue and thus save the lives of soldiers and establish world peace. The aim of the project is to send the message. A drop of love and forgiveness can cause the same ripples around you and can bring inner peace and world peace.